Check this video out.
हेलो हाय रितेश
हाय।
मैं आपका बहुत बड़ा फ्रेंड हूँ
सॉरी, क्या बोला आपने? रितेश
इसका बहुत बड़ा फ्रेंड हूँ मैं
आपके बहुत बड़े फ्रेंड हैं।
We all know a guy who sounds like this, and maybe that person may be watching this video. And this is the exact video that you need to watch. Now, your voice doesn't need to be as horrible as that guy's was, but if you lack a strong, powerful voice, then no matter what you say, people are just not going to be willing to listen to you. Which is exactly why in this video, I'm going to show you how you can have a strong and authoritative voice. Hi there, my name is Jonah. I am the CEO of Brightside English. We've taught more than 5,000 people how to communicate with confidence with a team of more than 73 people. After we did a survey to our 1 million followers, and when I asked them, what is it that you struggle with when it comes to your voice? The answers were honestly shocking. Most of them said that whenever they end a sentence, they end as if it's a question. So no matter when they talk, they always talk like this. They're not sure what it is that they're trying to say. This makes it seem like you're not sure of your answer, even if you're talking about yourself. Do you face this issue? Smile if you do. Another issue is that a lot of people, they nod their heads every single time that they talk. So they may be saying something, and they'll talk about their family's having a bit of a difficult time right now, and they keep nodding their freaking heads. Stop it, you're not a bobblehead. And another issue that people have when it comes to their voice is that they always talk in the same tone. Even if they're saying something happy or sad, they don't have any type of voice modulation at all. Now, these three things can kill the way how you communicate, because your voice isn't being utilized over there. Now, how you're supposed to sound is loud, sure of your answer, always not nodding your head, and most importantly, melodious. Now, what does melodious actually mean? Because some people overdo it. What melodious primarily means is that when you communicate, each person should be able to understand the emotion each word has. Now, for example, if I'm going to tell you some bad news, hey there, I just wanted to tell you that today will be your last day in your organization. You've not been able to put up with any goals that we've set, and honestly, you're just the worst employee. Another example, hey there, I just wanted to tell you that you have been promoted. We've been absolutely flabbergasted by just how amazing you've been working, and kudos to you. Notice the difference. If you listen to both of them with your eyes closed, you will be able to understand the emotion. That is the power of voice modulation. Now, the most easiest way that you can practice is you look up any article, any book, whatever it may be, and then you start reading it. But this time, read as if you are the happiest man on planet Earth. Now, just as an example, some of you guys may be reading any text like this. It was created for the US military, which wanted to connect computers without a central system so that it could be destroyed in a single attack. Instead, read it like this. It was created for the US military, which wanted to connect computers without a central system that could be destroyed in a single attack. Now, the thing is, there's not a lot of stuff that I can teach you for this. Instead, I can give you exercises that you can practice today. All of you know how you should sound like when it comes to modulating your voice. My job is to show you the exercises that you can do that. And this is exercise number 1. You pick out any type of article, any type of book, and you read it where you force yourself to be over voice modulated in a manner, exaggerated a bit. Now, the next one is to do the opposite. Read the same article in a very monotone voice. It was created for the US military, which wanted to connect computers without a central system. Doing both of this will primarily help your brain understand what the gray point is, and that is how you can improve your voice modulation. Now, a simple trick that you can use to improve the bass and heaviness of your voice is, first of all, think of the first 10 numbers, 1 to 10. All the odd numbers you say in a very high-pitched tone. I know, it sounds horrible, but you have to do it. All the even numbers you say in a very low tone. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then you just talk normally. That's actually insane. You will notice that your voice is 10 times more heavier, 10 times more stronger than it was before. Because when you go high and low, you're basically going in a very wavy manner, and your throat completely warms up. I need you to practice this today, and I need you to come back tomorrow and tell me the results that you saw, because this works for everybody. The only reason it hasn't worked for you is because you haven't tried it yet. What would you like me to teach you next? Let me know in the comments down below, and I'll be looking forward to see you next video.